Hi guys, welcome back to math. Today we are going to review perimeter and area. This should be pretty basic, but you need it for our coming up unit, perimeter and area. Okay, and this is going to be on page 41. Okay, so when we talk about two-dimensional figures, we have a square. All sides are the same. Okay, so to figure out the perimeter, remember perimeter, you add all sides. Okay. So you can do for a square, the side length times 4 will give you the perimeter. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So your perimeter is equal to 8 of a square. Okay, remember the area of a square is side squared, base times height. Okay, so 2 squared is 4, so your area is 4. It's of a square. Perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. Area, and then the perimeter, it's the rim. Okay, you add all the sides. A rectangle. And it's important for you to know these because when we go into surface area and volume, our area is going to be what we use for the big B. Okay, so for perimeter, again, you're going to add all the sides of a rectangle. Let's say that this is 3 inches and this is 9 inches. So it would be 3. Since it has however many sides it has is however many sides you have to add. 3 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9. And I have 4 sides, so I'm adding all 4 of those numbers. Okay. It's going to be 24 inches. Okay, and then the area is equal to base or bottom times your height. So 9 times 3 is 27 inches squared. Okay. Area. Then we have a triangle. I'm just going to cover the ones that you need to remember for this unit. Okay, another way you might see this is that's the imaginary line that shows us the height, because remember the height has to always be next to a right angle. Okay, so this would be my height here. And then again, perimeter is all the sides, so I have 3 sides. So let's say this is in this little lines, meaning that they're the same. Remember, it's an isosceles triangle when 2 sides are the same. 6 inches, and this one is going to be 8 inches. Okay, so I have 3 sides. So 6 plus 6 plus 8 is 20 inches. Okay. And then the area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. Okay? Or it means the same as base times height divided by 2. So my base is 8, and then my height is going to be 3. Okay, some people might want to put 6, but you remember your height has to be right next to a right triangle, and that one is 3. So I would do 8 times 3 divided by 2. 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So my area is equal to 12 inches squared. And it's two-dimensional figures. They're all flat. So it's in squares. All right, and then finally we have a circle. You guys remember what the perimeter of a circle is called? The perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. This is the perimeter. Okay. And it is found by pi times diameter, or 2 pi r, depending on if you get the radius or the diameter or which you prefer. Okay, remember, the diameter is all the way across the circle, okay, and the radius is half of that. Halfway is the radius. Okay. So let's say that my radius is 2 inches. To find the perimeter, I have the radius, so I'm going to do the circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. And you can just put that into your calculator. Two. And then pi is, where's pi on here? Yes, above second up arrow pi, and then my radius is 2. So I'm going to put that in there and press enter. So it's 12.57. This is 12.57 inches. And then the area is pi r squared. Okay, so you're just going to straight up put those numbers in your calculator. Second pi, let me show you that again. Second pi, the up arrow, r is 2, and that's squared. Press enter. Okay, so it's also 12.57. But that is inches squared. All right, that covers the basic reminders on area that you will need to know for this unit.